For smooth inventory management, you need to have all information related to your products in the palm of your hand. Orderhive makes this possible. Updating product details in bulk is a quick and easy function which allows you to update a number of product details at once instead of going through each one separately. So let's see how to update product details in Orderhive by following these simple steps. First, go to the products page on the left-hand side menu. Click on Import button at the bottom. Select Import Product option. You will see a pop-up window where you will find two options: to import, download a template, and to update products, export from here. Click on Export from here. In a few seconds, an Excel file of all your products in it along with Orderhive ID will be available for download by clicking on the bell icon. The exported file would look like this, and the details that you wish to change can be changed by clicking the cell in front of the SKU for which you wish to publish a change. You can update the product name, brand, barcode, category, type, HSN, weight, threshold, tags, price, and quantity. The next step will be to import the updated sheet into Orderhive in order to add the new values. Go to Products page and click on Import button on the bottom. Select Import Products and browse. You can select the file from your computer or directly drag and drop it on the window. Now click on the checkbox Update Existing Products. This will prompt you to select the checkboxes of the fields that you want to update. Select the appropriate checkboxes and click on Import. Once you click on Import, you will receive a notification about the completion of import depending on the number of products. If at all there is an error in updating the products, you can download the log file to identify the errors. So that's about it for updating products by import in Orderhive. If you have any questions, please click on the chat icon below to speak to our product expert. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.